She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chanel, and today is November the 20th, and I had booked my dog, my little baby. I booked my dog for grooming today at 10:30. Right now it's 10:20, but we're like 15 minutes from the place. So yes, it's the top of the morning, and me and Coco. But yes, so I'm finna take her to get groomed. When I leave there, I think, because where I get my piercings done at, it's right over there, but I'm going to drop her off to get groomed at. So I'm gonna go over there and see if they can change out my piercings so I can get some more piercings. I'm gonna get silver again, but just to trade them out. So I'm about to do that, and I'm gonna get back with you guys once we make it to PetSmart. Probably throw in some car vibes, you know how we do. So me and Coco finna vibe on the way there.
Come down to you, I don't care about myself. When you giving attention, you killing yourself. Start responding, play the hand that you dealt. Cause you, if I fuck up, my just gon' touch me for real. Change my life with a plank on the shelf. The love word to knock someone down before they help. Big man, f the media. What do happen to me, I know the f I did. I don't owe nobody shit. You hear me? Bitch, y'all can't play me how y'all play them. Cause get what? Broke ass motherfucker. Oh. Got a red roof on watching when the rain go. Hustle all day, I count the money at night. You see me flexing on that gram. Hey, cause that's what I really am. That boy switching lanes, that's what you call a lane. I ain't flexing, I ain't bragging. Four spots on one street, bitch, they all slapping. I get high as nasty.
Hey, I just thought of something. In my trick, cause I just fucked this bitch and bought her something. My nigga said he had some wacky, I was glad as hell.
Told that nigga bring that
lame nigga want some perks, I'm finna tax him 12. You can take
a nigga out the hood, can't take the clientele. Okay, we made it to PetSmart. Come on. And I'm about to drop her off. So yes, little feet chick. Also off of TikTok shop.
We spend cash for entertainment. That's more where that came from. That's all I'm saying. It's
Time to get groomed.
we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me.
So just dropped her off. I'm about to go get my piercings changed out. I hope they're open and able to do it because it is kind of early. It's 10:51, so it's not even 11 yet. Once I leave there, I also want to go by Toyota since I got a few hours. They told me it's going to be like 3 to 4 hours. Go by Toyota and see if I'm able to do a trade-in on my car. So yes, I finally got that all saved up and able to, you know, trade in my car. So yes, that's where I'm about to head now. Get my piercings changed out, then go to Toyota. So yeah, try to fit all that in and try to get that done before she's gonna be ready. On the way here, I seen so many polices, so I'm gonna lay off the car vibes right now. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and head there now.
I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. You what? I'll talk to you a little bit.
And the boots just come right together. But right now, I'm sitting here. I just filled out my information for them to look at, you know, my credit score and stuff. Just sitting here waiting. You know, when you're in a car dealership, you be here all day. You be in the dealership all day. So I haven't even ate today. I don't even know why I didn't stop and give me no quick snack. But and after a long process of them doing all their paperwork, I end up finding me a nice car, very demure. This is not the car I'm getting, but the interior looked just like this. So like the seats with the white trim, very nice, very nice. This is way more spacious. It looks amazing. Yes, I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. And I came up here like a month ago and they told me the best way for me to get my car out my grandma's name, because that's what I was doing originally. They said I would have to trade the car in, put probably some money down, and that'll be a way for you to get your car out your grandma's name. And you can also, you know, start on your own and have the car in your name and go ahead and start on building your, you know, your car credit up, because it's a difference. It's the car credit and then it's your overall credit. So yes, this is very nice. It's a new style Camry. It looks so good, y'all. Like the one I'm in now is gray, but I really didn't want gray, so yes, I got another color. Okay, I'm back in the dealership and just test drive it. I'm really feeling it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I really hope, fingers crossed, that I get it. And I'm able to leave and pick my baby up, my Coco baby, and something new. Still doing some last minute finalizations and trying to see if everything is everything. So yes, I am going to tune back in after that. You guys, they just approved me for the car. Just getting my gift bag. Yes, it has a t-shirt in here. And then I also have, what's in this box? Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. It's the car chargers and stuff. But yeah, your girl is in a new whip. 2024. Clock dead. Clock dead. You better clock dead. I'm from Shein. Like, I'm loving them down with my outfit. Car and update. I said 2024. Baby, we right in 2025. Do you hear me? And push start. Thank you. Thank you. Right now, they're detailing the car. They're cleaning the car out. Just detailing it, you know, just because it was already clean as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, like right before they give you the car, after you done bought it and stuff, they be wanting to just do another car wash and everything. So, I'm sitting here waiting on that. And then I would transfer just some of my belongings that I probably may have in my trunk over to my new car. And yes, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Like I said, baby, push start, don't play with me. Waist trainer on daily though, and then sit by TikTok shop, and I will make sure, like I said, put that in the description for you guys. So yes, my day is going and starting off very good. I had to give me some more auto insurance, but I can't be no happier. I done got me another car. Oh, baby, y'all can't tell me nothing. No better than to want me, as always, fur boots. Fur boots, if you can see them, they're so pretty. So it's time to finish up and pay.
You plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it.
So excited, you guys. It's been a long time coming. Your girl is finally in her new car. 2025.
Yeah.
Not 24, 2025. Yeah. Yes.
Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl.
2025.
You got it, girl. You got it, girl.
My bad. Okay, girl. He's running some new. So we just got seated. Let me show you guys the menu. Yeah, we can do spicy.
Ranch, blue cheese, both. Yeah.
Spicy barbecue.
That's some good cheese pulls.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna never lose no weight, bro. Love food, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm big as hell now, bro. That's so crazy though. I used to be skinny as hell.
I know. When I be seeing your pictures, though, it be kind of looking
Weird, don't it?
weird.
Yeah.
Ew.
I used to be little as hell, bro.
Drop a pic. What it look like. Put it right here.
Yup. That's me. Skinny as shit. But you know what? I don't give a fuck about right here. Fuck about Steve. Tupac would fuck about myself. Can't play with nobody like that, bro.
Right. Stay away from it.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex.